how to add or remove accessibility shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on interaction and dexterity. So after click on interaction and dexterity, so click on assistant menu. So after click on assistant menu, so scroll down and you will see assistant menu shortcut is here. So make sure assistant menu shortcut button is turned on. So after turn on this button, go back to home screen and click on this accessibility icon. And if you want to edit accessibility add shortcuts, so click on edit shortcuts. So you will see, click on accessibility. So you will add accessibility shortcuts from here. So after adding, go back to home screen. So you will see accessibility shortcut is add. So if you want to remove accessibility shortcuts, so again click on this icon and click on edit. So if you want to remove, so click on shortcuts and you will see icons is and shortcut is remove. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add or remove accessibility shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.